Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my beloved students? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. Here I am Lokman, an assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Now I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class 8. Our today's discussion topic is article. Article is a such kind of topic which is the most important and most common topic for every type of students, as this topic starts as student life from class 3 up to 12. So this is the very most important topic in our English grammar. To get the full marks from this topic, you need to memorize some rules and you should have some techniques. Let's start our today's discussion. First of all, many of you think about the consonant and vowel letter, that if there is a consonant letter before the letter we should use a, if there is vowel letter then we should use before the word n. But I think it's not properly easy topic and it is very confusing topic. So I need to clear it today. The very easy short technique is you should give emphasis on sound. Just produce the word. If the sound is look like a vowel, then use before the word n. But if the sound is look like consonant sound, then you should use before the word a. But remember, you must use a or n before the singular noun. Our today's discussion is use of a and n. You know that there are a, n, d, three types of article, and these three articles can be divided into two. Da is called definite article and a and n is called indefinite article. So let's see our today's discussion. First of all, article a, n, and da is our article. Here da is called definite article and a and n is called indefinite article. Our today's discussion use of a and n. First of all, if I say he is European, he is European. If I want to produce the word European, our sound comes first like U. Here, our sound comes like U. So, if your sound is like U, before this sound you should use a. You should use article a. My second one right here a. Okay, second one, give me one taka note. If the word is one, to produce the one, to produce this word one, your sound comes like wa, like wa. So if you get this word, this sound, before this wa sound, you have to write here article a. So we have learned from here these two examples. A is used before the sound of u and wa. A is used before the sound u and wa. Okay, next one. See more examples. A university, a union, a useful book, a unique scene, a 1 rupee note, a one idea. Before all word there is a sound wa and u. That's why a is used here. Now let's go to see about uses of n. Mr. Babul is MBBS. To produce the word MBBS, our sound comes here M. M means here M. This is the vowel sound. To produce the word MBBS, our vowel sound comes first. So if your sound is like vowel, then you have to write N. Before the word, you must write N. Second one, he is honest doctor. He is honest doctor. Here, notice it, H is silent. H is silent here. Our only O is produced here. Our sound is honest, so H is not produced here. H is silent. So here also you should use N. So in these two examples, we came to learn that N is used before the sound A, O and A. The example of I is here. I will come after our. If I say our, here sound produced like a. I will come after an hour. Here you should use n. So n is used before the sound of a, o and a. Okay, next see another examples, more examples. An hour, here h is silent. An honest, h is silent here. An ma, to produce the word m, our vowel sound come first, though our letter is here consonant but sound looks like vowel. An mp, vowel sound. An mla, an sdo, here also vowel sound comes first. An hw, an hs cool, etc. So we came to learn that if your sound to produce the word, if sound comes like vowel sound, what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 letters are known as vowel. So to produce any letter, if it produces the sound like vowel sound, then you should use before the word n rather than a. Okay, next, but remember, if there is no use of this sound u, wa, a, o or a, so you have to follow the first letter of the word to use article. If the first letter of your word is a consonant, then write a. If the first letter of your word is vowel, you must write n. See example, if I say we have projector in our class. We have projector in our class. To produce the word projector, pa sound comes first. Pa sound, here is a consonant sound. So we must write here a, because here is a p is a consonant sound and consonant letter also. Next one, he sent me email. He sent me email. Here to produce this word email, our e comes first. So e is a vowel. E is a vowel letter. That's why we should write here n. He sent me an email. If you find this consonant as the first letter of the word, that means what are the consonant? The consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, G, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are our consonant letter. If you find this consonant letter in a word, then you must write article a rather than n. Okay, next one. If you find a vowel as the first letter of the word, that means a, e, I, o, u, you have to write n before the word. If I say it's an ink pot, it's ink pot. Here is a vowel sound and vowel letter I. That's why previously you should use article n. You must remember, if a in is, a and n is always used before a single noun. Your article a and n will be used only before a singular noun. Okay. Next one, see an example. I have a pen. I have a pen. Yes, I can say I have a pen is right. But is it possible to say I have? Is it possible to say here I have a pens? No, you can't say, because here our noun is plural. We must use article before singular noun. Where? Before singular noun we can use only article a and n. So this is our wrong sentence. Okay, next one. This is an X. Is it right? Check. No, it's not right, because this is our plural noun, so it's false. Okay, next one. This is an egg. Yes, that is matched. It's correct. Special use of a. The special use of a is used before the sense of a person. If you find any sense of a person in anyone's, then you can use a. Okay, if I say you are a Nazrul IC, you are a Nazrul IC, though you are not a Nazrul, I know, but the sense of Nazrul I find in you. That's why you should use here article a. Okay. Next one is a is used before the superlative most. the word most with superlative degree, before this word you should use a when it indicates the meaning very. When it indicates the meaning very, then you can use a before the superlative degree most. See example, it is a most interesting story. Again another example, he saw a most wonderful sight. He saw a most wonderful. Here most means very. He saw a very wonderful sight. If I say again, it's a most interesting story. Here most means it's a very interesting story. So whenever most indicates very meaning, then you should use before this most article a. Okay, today we have reached at the end of our today's discussion. So let's have a review. So you should first of all, to get the full marks in article topic, you have to give emphasis on sound. You have to emphasis on not letter, just give emphasis on sound. Just try to produce the word. If it produces consonant sound, use a, and the noun should be of course singular, because we can't use article a or n before any plural noun. Again, if the sound looks like a vowel, then you should use n before the word. Okay, now I will provide you some exercise as your SW. Please note it down. This is my SW number 5. My first example is Mr. Robel is FRCS. Just try to produce the word FRCS, and then what type of sound is here, then identify the articles. Then he is a one-eyed boy. Just try to produce the word, then find out the sound of the word, then identify the articles. Mr. Lokman is gave MA. To just try to produce the word MA, then you will find out the article what should be here. This is unique picture. Let's go out for work. This is you. I have mobile phone. You should show excellent performance. Sarika is university student. It takes hour to go there. So this is our SW. Submit this SW next Sunday and collect another Sunday. And to submit this SW, please note it down, your name, roll number, section at the top of your copy. And if it is not possible to submit this SW with your main SW copy, then you can submit it also in a sheet. But before making this sheet, you must remember your sheet should be different subject for different sheet, so that we can take easily, we can receive easily, we can deliver it easily. So I hope you have already understood our today's topic. See you soon with next video. Stay home, stay well. Allah Hafiz.